Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is all out. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all are doing well. As we are proceeding to the launch of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, we are getting some real renders of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and I must say it looks beautiful and a new era of foldables will going to start from this. The Unpack event is going to be held on August 10th where Samsung will unveil Z Fold 4 along with Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds, and Samsung started reservation for all of these devices. You can head over to Samsung's official website and reserve your next Galaxy device. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below, are you going to buy Z Fold 4 if it priced the same as Z Fold 3? Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 inner and outer display real look is out, where IC Universe shared a Z Fold 4 official renders. We can see the Z Fold 4 is a bit wider compared to Z Fold 3 and a bit smaller, and that is all happened because of a new hinge design that Samsung is going to offer in Z Fold 4. With this new single hinge design, the new era for the foldables is going to begin. Meanwhile, he also shared a Z Fold 3 and Z Fold 4 side by side, and look how different and small the hinge on Z Fold 4. Samsung didn't change the design of the Z Fold 4 but changed the most important part of any foldable device, which is a hinge. With this, we get a better aspect ratio, not too crazy, but a better step towards a perfect foldable. With that, Samsung also changed the camera part of the Z Fold 4. Here, Anthony shared the Z Fold 4 and Z Fold 3 side by side, where we see the Z Fold 4 camera looks bigger in size compared to the Z Fold 3, and this is because Samsung is putting new cameras in the Z Fold 4. 50 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom, and 10 megapixel selfie camera. If you want a light color on the Z Fold 4, then the official renders of beige color of Z Fold 4 is out, and you can see how beautiful it looks. But we are not confirmed if it's called beige or golden, since the metal frame around the sides are golden. The price of a Z Fold 4 is about the same as the Z Fold 3, but there is no official news. But one European retailer shared the price of two models of a Z Fold 4, 1849 euros for 256 gigs version and 1099 euros for 512 gigs version. But 1TB version and 128 gigs versions were not on the list. Either these versions never exist or they're only limited to certain markets. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below, are you going to buy Z Fold 4 if it priced the same as Z Fold 3? I'll see you next time, till then, peace out.